Jai Gurudev, dear students. Welcome again in this GK class. Children, in the last GK class, we have studied about chapter number 5, Facts about Renowned International Organizations. And today we will study about the chapter number 6, which is Renowned International Awards and Prizes. Okay. Children, this unit is mainly based on the international level organizations, or we can say this unit number 3 which we started earlier, it is around the world. Means in this chapter we are studying about the different facts and different criteria about on the world level. Okay. So let's start our chapter number 6, which is Renowned International Awards and Prizes. So first is the Nobel Prize ceremony to award achievements in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and for peace are held in dash. So children, about this prize ceremony they written, means this ceremony is Stockholm, Sweden. Okay, so this is a place where this Nobel Prize ceremony or award for different criteria or different fields are given. So this is Stockholm, Sweden, and children, this award is given to the different criteria or different achievements in the different fields like physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and even for the peace also. Nobel Prize is a main prize or important prize which everybody knows about it. Okay. So second is the prize for economics, sciences in the memory of Alfred Nobel, founder of Nobel Prize, is known as the Sveriges Riksbank Prize. So this prize name is the Sveriges Riksbank Prize. Okay, and this prize is given in the memory of Alfred Nobel, which is a founder of Nobel Prize. Okay, so children, this is the second one. And third is the Ramon Magsaysay. Twice you pronounce say, means the Ramon Magsaysay award is often considered as Asia's Nobel Prize. Means this prize is given on the Asia level. It is also equivalent to the Nobel Prize, but it is for the on the basis of that Asia continent. Okay children, so this prize is Ramon Magsaysay. So fourth is the Pulitzer Prize. This Pulitzer Prize is a US award for achievements in newspaper and online journalism, literature and musical composition. Children, different prizes are meant for different fields. So this Pulitzer Prize is meant for, which is a US award, and it is given for the achievements in which areas? In the newspaper and online journalism, literature and musical composition. So this prize is special prize for these fields. Next, fifth is the Academy Award / Oscar. Means either we say the Academy Award or you can write Oscar is an accolade bestowed by the American Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. In short, we can say AMPAS. Means its full form is American Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. To recognize excellence of professionals in the film industry, including directors, actors and writers. So children, this Oscar award is given for the motion pictures, or we can say arts in the movies and sciences which are related to this. And this award is given to the directors, actors or writers. Means whatever person are related to the movies, they can get this award for their excellent work. So next, sixth is the Whitley or Green Oscar Award. So the Whitley or Green Oscar Award are given annually to recognize and celebrate effective national and regional conservation leaders across the globe. Children, this Whitley or Green Oscar Award is given to the means it is given annually. Every year they are giving this award to celebrate effective national regional conservation leaders across the globe. Means across the world they are giving this prize to those leaders, those people or those persons who are working for the working to maintain the regional level conservation, or to maintain that national level conservation, to maintain that our culture, or we can say in the regional level or national level across the globe. Okay, so seventh is Grammy Award or Gramophone Award. Means either Grammy or gramophone, any word you can use. This award is given to recognize outstanding achievements in the international music industry. Children, this award is given to whom? Means for their outstanding performance or outstanding achievements in the music industry. And in what level? International level. Means only Grammy Award or Gramophone Award are given to those specific person who done something different in the musical industry or music industry on international level. Okay, so children, this is about these prizes at various levels of in the international level of various fields. So in the amazing fact, you can see the fields medals officially known as International Medal for Outstanding Discoveries in Mathematics is a prize awarded to 3 or 4 mathematicians not over 40 years of age at each international congress of the International Mathematical Union, a meeting that takes place every 4 years. The name is in honor of Canadian mathematician John Charles Fields. Yes, children, the Fields Medal means this medal is given to those mathematicians. It can be given to 2, 3 or 4 mathematicians, but given to those mathematicians which are less the age of 40 years. Means it is not, this medal is not meant for more than over 40 years, okay, age. So this Fields Medal is given for that special work in mathematical field, and this award, or we can say this medal name, is given in the honor of, for the honor of Canadian mathematician John Charles Fields. Okay, because of this mathematician, which is American mathematician, because of his name, this medal is given to the excellent performance in the mathematics. Okay, children, and every 4 years, after every 4 years, they are conducting a meeting, and then they decide a person. A person may be 2, 3 or 4 mathematician, and they decide the name of those person, and then they declare the name of those person to give this the Field Medal. Okay, children, so this is about the chapter number 6, renowned international awards and prizes. Yes, children, now next is model test paper 3. So here first exercise is write true or false, and here some statements are given, and in front of statements these rectangular boxes are there. So in these rectangular boxes you have to write true or false. For true statement you write true, and false statement you have to write false. So first is, euro is the currency of European Union. So you have studied about this, children. I have explained you in the first chapter of this unit, in the chapter currency, that euro is a currency of European Union. Yes, it is true. And second is, Chinese money is called renminbi yuan. No, children, it is false, because this is not a currency of, yuan is not a currency of China. This is yuan is a currency of Japan. Okay, so third is, real is the currency of the Russian Federation. No, children, it is also false. Real is not a currency of Russian Federation. And fourth is, Israeli currency is called shekel. Yes, it is true. Israeli currency is called shekel. So fifth is, South African currency is called dollar. No, it is also false. Dollar is not a currency of South Africa. Okay, children. So next exercise is about write the name of the countries which is demarcated by the following lines. So children, here they have given name of some boundary lines. You know, in this unit we have studied about the boundary lines also. So some of them they have given here, and one or two they have given in each of the model test paper exercise from their own, okay, which is not studied earlier. So that also we have to study. Durand line, you know, this is given in your book. It is the boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan. And second is Hindenburg line. Hindenburg line, children, it is a boundary line between Germany and Poland. And McMahon line is a boundary line between India and China. And fourth is Oder-Neisse line. This is not given in your book, and we have not studied about this. This is also a kind of boundary line which is which lies between East Germany and Poland, okay. And Redcliffe line, children, it is also a line which is present between India and Pakistan, okay. So after this, children, here they have written next exercise number C, complete the abbreviations. Here abbreviation means, here they have written in short name of some organizations which you have studied, and you have to write complete name of these all the organizations. So here first is WHO, which is a very famous, and it is World Health Organization. And second is WTO. WTO is World Trade Organization. And third is UNICEF. UNICEF is a United Nations International Children's Emergency Funds, okay. And fourth is NATO. NATO is a North Atlantic Treaty Organization. And fifth one, which we have not studied in this our book, that is SAARC. Children, many of the times you must have seen about this SAARC organization in the news, or sometime they are explaining about this organization, because it is also important. And this its full name is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, okay. So children, this is about the abbreviations which we have filled here. And after watching this video, you have to fill all the exercises which is given in the chapter, as well as it is given in the model test paper 3, okay. So next time we will continue with our next exercise, which is D exercise, okay. And we start the next chapter also, next unit. So Jai Gurudev.